Hello, animators and developers. Welcome back to my channel and another video. Today we're diving into the 12 fundamental animations and principles and how they can be effectively implemented in Unity. Whether you're passionate about animation or learning Unity, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe for more content. Let's get started. So, at first we have what is Unity. Before we dive into the animation principles, let's quickly go over what Unity is. Unity is a powerful game development engine used to create 2D and 3D games, as well as interactive experiences like VR and AR. It's one of the most popular engines for building games, applications, and of course, animations. With its robots physics engine, graphic tools, and animation system, Unity allows developers to create realistic and exciting interactive experience. In the background we have at first physics in Unity. Well, in Unity, physics are crucial for creating realistic movement and behavior. Unity uses a physics engine that handles gravity, friction, collisions, and more. By integrating this system with animation, we can achieve natural-looking motion where every action has a corresponding physical reaction. Understanding how physics works in Unity is essential for animating realistic movements. So, after this, what do we have? We have the sprites. What are these and which is their importance? Well, sprites are essential for 2D animation as they are elements that will move, rotate, and change shapes during the animation. So, understanding how to use and animate sprites in Unity is the key to creating compelling 2D animations. After that, we have handling axes in Unity. Well, in Unity, the X, Y, and Z axes are used to move and rotate objects in 3D spaces. For 2D animations, we mainly use the X and Y axes, but understanding how to manipulate these axes is crucial for moving the sprites on the screen. So, the rotation of these axes in Unity allows us to transform the position and rotate of objects intuitively, helping to create smooth and accurate animations. So, the essential part of this video, the 12 animation principles. So, now let's take a look at the 12 fundamental animation principles. These principles were established by Disney animators and apply not only to traditional animation, but also to digital animation in Unity. We'll explain each principle and show how it can be implemented in Unity. So, at first we have a squash and a stretch. This principle gives the illusion of weight and flexibility. In Unity we can make a sprite, stretch or squash during an animation to emphasize movement, like when a character jumps or lands. At second, we have anticipation. This one helps the viewer understand what's about to happen. In Unity, we can add a small movement or pause before a major action, like preparing for a jump or attack. At 3, we have staying. Staying refers to how actions are presented to the viewer. In Unity, we use animation transitions to show how a character moves from one action to another in a clear, state way. At fourth, we have follow through and overlapping action. This principle means that the part of a character or object should continue to move after the main action. In Unity, you can create follow-through animations for parts of the body like arms or legs to move after the main action finishes. At number 5, we have straight ahead action and pose to pose. This one is very important. Why? In animations, we have straight ahead actions. That means animating frame by frame from start to finish. While pose to pose involves keyframes at important position with in-betweens. In Unity, we can use both techniques depending on the scene: straight ahead for fluid, spontaneous actions and pose to pose for more controlled movements. For number 6, we have slow in and slow out. Movements are not always constant. In Unity, we can use animation curves to speed up or slow down an object or character, creating more natural transitions between actions. Number 7 is for arcs. Natural movements often follow an arc. In Unity, we can use curves to create smoother, more organic motion paths, like a character jump or the flight path of a projectile. At 8, we have secondary action. This principle refers to adding smaller actions to accompany the main action, like moving a hand while walking. These in Unity, secondary actions can be layered to add life to a scene. The 9 is for timing. Timing, it can be like the movement of my mouth, the way that the words complaining to my movement of lips. For timing is essential. It's essential for the passing of an animation. In Unity, we adjust the timing by controlling the speed of animations, which directly impacts the feel and rhythm of the movement. At number 10, we have exaggeration. Exaggeration makes actions more expressive and clear. In Unity, we can use exaggerated movements to make actions more dramatic, like an extreme jump or a powerful reaction. Well, and the last two, but not least important, we have solid drawing that refers to creating well-constructed, believable characters and actions. In Unity, this principle applies to creating solid animations and that look realistic and are consistent through. And for the last one, we have appeal. Appeal is about making characters and actions engaging and attractive to the viewer. In Unity, we can design appealing characters and use smooth animations to make them more captivating. At this part, it's important to make a balance between appeal and exaggeration. The viewer, when sees a character, is looking for something different. I mean, when a character is exaggerated, the viewer is looking for these actions or these facial facts that can make a difference and obviously appeal. The viewer is more attractive about the appeal of a character. And for this, we can pass to the implementation in Unity. Well, for implementation in Unity, we have a little demonstration of this. Now, Let's see how to implement one of these principles in Unity. We'll take anticipation and show how to create a short animation of a character preparing for a jump. Well, for this part, we are going to make a sprite selection, anticipation, animation creation, and adjustment in the animator. As you can see, we've added a little anticipation animation before the character jumps. This helps making the jump feel more natural and clear to the player, and in this case for the viewer. So, and that's a wrap on the 12 fundamental animation principles and how you can implement them in Unity. Now that you understand these principles, you can start applying them in your own animation projects. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any future content on animation and Unity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see in the next video. Bye.